Hello everyone, this is Ayaraju and you're watching Raj Educational and Tech Channel. Welcome to a new video on Learn Robotics with Raju. In this video, I'm going to answer a few questions on robotics. When you heard about a robot, what comes to your mind? Is it a machine? It's a toy? Or it's a helper or a companion? If you ask in industries, they'll say it's a machine. If you ask for children, they'll say it's a toy. And if you ask in advanced countries like Japan, they'll say it's a helper or a companion. Do you have a same doubt about robotics? So let's get started. What is robotics? Robotics is a science of engineering that encapsulates electronics engineering, computer science engineering, mechanical engineering, and information science engineering. Do you know who coined robotics for the first time? Robotics was first coined by American science fiction writer Isaac Asimov way back in 1940s. It was first used in his short story called Liar. Now, since we are talking about robotics, we'll see the actual meaning of a robot. The word robot comes from a Slavic root called robota, which means work or labor. What are the three laws of robotics formulated by Isaac Asimov? Isaac Asimov formulated three laws of robotics. Now, let us see the three laws of robotics. The first law of robotics states that a robot may not injure a human being through inactions, allowing human being to come to harm. Second law of robotics. Second law of robotics states that a robot must follow the commands given by the human beings, followed that his command would not conflict the first law of robotics. Third law of robotics. A robot must protect and defend on its own survival. During its protection, it should not conflict the first and second law of robotics. What are the main blocks of a robot? We have three main blocks of a robot. Robots have three main blocks: sense, think, and act. Now, we'll see the three blocks of robotics in detail. 1. Sense. We human beings sense the environment around us with the help of sense organs. However, a robot senses the information with the help of sensors. Robot uses these sensors to gather the information around it. These sensors can be IR sensor, touch sensor, gas sensor, accelerometer, and a camera. Think. We human beings think with the help of our brain. However, robot process the information and think with the help of microprocessors and microcontrollers. These microprocessors and microcontrollers works as a brain of the robot. Act. We human beings uses our legs and arms to perform various actions. However, a robot uses motors and actuators to perform various actions. Now, actuators converts one form of energy to another form. In case of a robot, an electrical energy is converted into a mechanical motion. We use servo motors, stepper motors, AC-DC motors, and solenoid as actuators. A machine can precisely repeat a predetermined action, whereas a robot can do that too, but they can do even more. A robot is a machine that is programmed to do a series of actions. So every robot is a machine, but every machine is not a robot. If a machine that can sense, think, and act, then only it can be called as a robot. If it does only one of these actions, it's just a machine. A robot can sense, think, and act. Are robots helpful for humans? Yes, robots are helpful for humans as they work in hazardous conditions such as toxic chemicals. They are capable of lifting heavy loads without injuries. As humans cannot perform these risky jobs, robots increases work safety and preventing accidents. Are robots good for industries? Robots are good way to implement in industries. as they save time and can produce more product. They also reduce the amount of waste material used due to high accuracy. Using robots in production will save money as they have quick return on investment. Guys, if you really like my video, please give us a thumbs up. If you like to get my videos as notification, subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Next time when I post a video, you'll receive as a notification. See you in the next video. Signing off.